Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Singh and I am a hair transplant surgeon based in Dehradun. REVERT Hair Transplant Center is the name of my clinic and I have been doing hair transplants since the last 8 years. Today I am going to tell you about the latest technique which is being used for a hair transplant worldwide. To start with, the result of any hair transplant will depend upon three factors. The first factor that is very important for the final result is that the roots that are extracted from the back of your head and are implanted on the front side, they should be minimally manipulated during the procedures. The more the roots are manhandled or manipulated, their survival decreases. The second factor that is important for the final result is the time the roots are kept outside the body during the procedure. That time period should be kept minimal. ठीक है? The third factor for the final result is that the roots, the skin where the front area, where the skin of the front area where the roots are being implanted, that skin should be healthy and free from any disease or free from any active disease as such. So the traditional method which were done in the past, in that method the hair transplant surgeon makes holes or slits in the front area where roots are implanted, and the technicians, their staff or the hospital staff hold individual roots in the forceps, and those roots are individually implanted with the help of that forceps. In this traditional method, up to 20% of the roots are damaged at the time of implantation only, because this method requires more manipulation and the putting those roots into the holes, the minute holes, the damage of the roots occurs. In feather touch technique, which is the latest technique in present day, we use special instruments which are called implanters. Implanters are a pen type instrument in which the roots are loaded and they are directly implanted in the skin. So we don't have to hold the roots and they are minimally manipulated. So the survival of the roots, the chances of them growing is maximum in this technique. The second advantage with feather touch hair transplant is that the out of body time, the time interval for which the roots are kept outside the body, the interval between extraction of the roots and implantation in the frontal area should be kept to the minimum. So in feather touch, this time interval is minimum because we are directly implanting the roots while extraction. Both the processes are done simultaneously. So the root survival is maximum. And regarding the third factor, the skin, the condition of the skin, all the patients that visit us in our clinic for hair transplant, they are personally examined by me. We do a microscopic examination in every patient to make sure the skin is healthy and is free from any active disease. We evaluate the donor area from which the final result of hair transplant will depend on the quality of hair you have in your donor area and the density. So we evaluate thoroughly beforehand before starting the actual procedure. So feather touch is the latest technique and it is considered to be the safest technique for hair transplant presently. We are the only center in Dehradun which has been using this technique since the last 5 years. I hope you will find this video informative, which will help you in deciding your hair transplant procedures. Kindly subscribe to this channel. We will be posting similar informative videos in the near future. Thank you.